Greetings from paradise! I have discovered yet another beautiful secluded spot where you can be naked as well, as there is nobody here. It is in the middle of the forest and the closest bus stop is 3 kilometers away. This is in Söderviken in the Björnö Nature Reserve, and it looks absolutely stunning. And this type of beach continues further down along the way, and I realized that last time I was running from the other side towards the very end of the peninsula that this is, but it's much closer from this end actually. And it's gonna be another beautiful sunny day on the sea, despite some clouds that we had in the morning. Now it is super sunny and super nice. I earlier stopped by at Björnö and knew these beach spots, where I was also alone. But after I filmed, people started to come in, so I decided to go out for adventure. And this is also another completely new spot that I'm showing you for the very first time here on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris. It is 22nd of July, currently 11:30 a.m. So very early at least. I have been very good recently to get up early, which is amazing because I can enjoy more of the day. But I also need to be a bit more better to go to sleep on time, that is. I'm going to continue my swim adventures, as I have been now swimming for 3 days in a row for at least 1 hour combined. Yesterday and the day before it was 3 times 20 minutes. The day before, 2 days ago, it was more than that, I think 4 times. But yeah, I see that because I'm not swimming that fast, so I calculate here in the sea, in the open water with the waves, 20 minutes would be 500 meters, so I'm aiming for 1.5 kilometer. My personal best for 1 kilometer in a swimming pool is 21 minutes, so, but it's a completely different setup in a swimming pool, much easier. But yeah, and my watch don't measure the distance in open water, so I can't tell, but 20 minutes for 500 meters at least, definitely. Alright, let's hit the waters while I'm still showing you this beautiful, majestic paradise. I just love rocky beaches like this, it's so amazing. Secluded these spots in the beautiful Swedish coast. And I have checked here earlier if I can jump or not. Despite that it looks so deep, it is up until here, so I'll probably not jump, which is a shame. But I can go in sliding here, or maybe even from this end, it's better. You can see, you can choose wherever you want to lay. There are a bit of flat rocks all around, and it's good that we have wind today, because even though it's 22 degrees Celsius in here, with the sun it feels a lot warmer. And I need to put some sunscreen now, I'm thinking, because the sun is usually the hottest now between 12 and 3 p.m. Alright, my fellow folk beach adventurers, let's continue the beach adventures with Chris. And as I mentioned, this can be definitely a clothing optional because nobody is here as well. So I am mostly visiting this type of beaches recently, for sure. Okay, I'm sliding down. I'm sliding down, but it's not deep here. So ready, set and go! Oh my god, the water is so nice. 22 degrees. Earlier this morning I measured 23 close to Björkvik, but here in the open sea it would be chillier, but still 22 degrees both in the air and sea is definitely majestic. This is my spot for today, for sure. It's a beautiful day out, and here I have also very nice path to swim along the rocks. So it's gonna be fantastic for sure. Beautiful. Here there are also some islands, part of this Stockholm archipelago, and I really am in love with Värmdö. I have been coming here almost every other day since I'm on the public transport. It's a bit hard for me to come here by bicycle because I will need to cycle back and forth at least 80 kilometers. So, but maybe if I buy a racer soon, I will come soon again, or maybe buy the public transport card again in September. For sure I'm gonna explore more, and maybe I will also start running to beaches soon because I got a bit tired of my bike being stolen, so I will use my legs because you can't steal those, right? Not yet at least. Anyway, greetings from this beautiful beach spot where I will be enjoying this hot summer Tuesday, 22nd of July. Thank you so much for watching this episode, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.